Hello everyone. On today's class, we are going to take a general bonnet that people are using. When you go through Lagos, Ogun State city, you see these ladies with bonnet, big one on their head. So today we are going to be doing one with elastic. Now I'm using this Ankara and this dog face. I'm using this dog face. So also with my elastic. So these pieces of Ankara, I've cut it to a square of 36 by 36, but I'll be using it like this. So to my tape rule, I folded it into two, then I fold it again, making 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 pieces. This is the center. This is the center, and I fold. So from here, I'll be using 15. I want it to be a big bonnet. This is 14. Let me add 1 inches to it more. So this is 15. Then I will take it round, 15 round. 15, I'm using 15. It's going to be a bigger bonnet. 15. So I will be cutting. I'll be cutting it round to make it angle 360. We call it angle 360 because it's into 4 places. Cutting round. So when I open it, this is what it's going to give me. This is what it's going to give me. Bigger than this my table. So 42, angle 180. Take my doll face that I'm using for lining. I'm using this for lining. So I'm facing it with my lining, which is doll face. So I will have to cut round. You have to cut it round. You can do it. You can cut it the first way I made the Ankara. I should have cut it together, but you can do it the same way like this. You can do it like this, or you cut the way I did the Ankara that I placed into 4 places. Continue. I'm going to join this place. Now I will now take it to the machine and sew it round. So let's go to the machine. Half inch, I'm taking half inch round. You have blocked the view. Now I have sewn it round. This is the first stitches. I'm trying to loosen the unnecessary so this is it. I've done it round. This is where I'm going to use to turn it when I want to turn. But for now, before I turn, I'm still going to do another stitches round to leave space for the rubber that we are going to use. So I'm going to take my tape. I'm going to measure 1.5 inches. I'm going to measure 1.5. This is 1.5. I will do it round. I will do it round, 1.5 round. From that 1.5, I will take one. This 1.5, I will sew it round. Then this one, I will sew it round, but be careful. This place, be careful, this open space, we are not going to sew it. So I'll be doing it round. Now, let me take the measurements round. One and a half. Round. So now I have sewn it round the first time. So the second time I'm going to sew it round, but now I'll be taking almost 1 inches here. Hope you can see what I'm doing. So this is the second one. This is where I'm going to put the rubber. This is where I'm going to put the rubber, and this one will be the excess and the point. So let me continue. So I finished sewing, and I leave almost 3 inches for me to turn. So I'm going to turn it over now. Turn it over. This is it. This is the starting point. So now at this point, we have to take 1 inch, then let me see, 1.5 for me to attach the rubber. To attach the rubber to it. So I'm taking, let me say 2 inches. I'm using 2 inches. So this is my 2. I'm using 2 inches round. I'm taking 2 inches round. So this one I'm taking now, you have to do this one. You have to close this one. These 2 inches we have to close. Then we take another 1 inches now, another ½ inches where we are going to put pass the rubber. So that is what the one I'll be sewing now. Where we are going to pass the rubber from here to here should be almost ½ inches or 1. So the remaining one, you see the way it comes out. Yeah, we pass the rubber. So right now I've finished doing it. I'll be passing the rubber. The first pass of the rubber to this 1 inch. To this 1 inch that I left. It's not the first one, the second one. This one. So I'm taking the rubber in. Don't forget, this place is still open. Okay. The rubber is going in. I'm trying to locate the second one, not the first one, the second one. So I'm passing the rubber, I'll be passing the rubber around, which is the last step. You have to hold this so that it will not go in. So I have passed the rubber, and I'll be removing the pin, and I'll do the tying. So, can you see? Then you have to tie very well. Tie very well, very well. Tie it as many times as possible. So you have to close the mouth finally. To close the mouth finally. So you take the mouth like this, and you now run stitches on it. You take them together. This is how to close it. You now run stitches on it. So this is it. So let me put it on the mannequin.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see the bonnet. Thank you. Thank you.